Did you know you do not need to download your social content in Canva to post them on Instagram? Instagram has an integration with Canva. So, what you're going to do to post these, instead of going here, downloading, choosing your pages, and then posting it to Instagram or sending it to your phone, what you're going to do is you're going to go here in share, click Instagram. You might be prompted to connect your account. I have already connected mine. Then you're going to go here and schedule posts from desktop. You're going to click continue. You're going to pick your page, which is this page here that we're working on. Write your caption right here. And then you're going to go to the calendar here, which is a pro feature. You're going to select the day you want to post and the time. After that, you can just be done and you're going to click schedule. This post is going to go automatically to Instagram at the date and time you picked. That way, you don't have to be reminding yourself to go on Instagram every morning. And also, you're going to have a little more time to work on your business, saving all the time you take to download pages and pages of content. If you want more tips about Instagram, Canva, and content creation, don't forget to hit subscribe.